Today we're going to remove a battery from a 2017 Chevy Malibu. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and pop open the hood. Once you have the hood, go ahead and prop the hood with the prop. Alright, and we're going to be using a 10mm to get these screws out. There it is. We're going to take this one to release the bracket, this one because it's tying down the bracket, and then this one as well. So we'll go ahead and remove these. Make sure you don't drop any of the screws. Put them in a nice safe location. And go ahead and do that real quick before I get unlucky. Alright, just put these in a nice safe location where they won't get lost. Let's go ahead and remove this last one. And that breaks the whole bracket loose, the battery clamp. Just go ahead and pick it up and out and stick it on the floor. This one, let's go ahead and put it right here so we don't lose that as well. Alright, now we have this battery cover that we have to remove. Alright, and here we have a little clamp here with a pigtail. You have to press that in and then you'll be able to release it from here. That comes off. Just push that to the side and then, wow, okay. Alright, so we're going to open this one up next and put that to the side. And then here we have a little tab. We're going to push that and this comes out. And let's go ahead and loosen these up with a 10mm. You can see if that gives us access. No, there's still something in the way. Let's go ahead and, okay. Alright, took me a second to figure this out. What you're going to need is maybe a flathead screwdriver, but go ahead and stick it in here and push out. This releases, let me see if we get it on the video, that little tab, almost not really, there it is, that tab pulls out. Then you're able to pull this up and over, and then this should finally come out. Godly, still no. Alright, there it is coming out. You just got to be careful, there's wires and stuff in the way. Man, that thing's a toughie. Oh wow, we have another battery clamp. Alright, this battery clamp is going to be a 13mm and you're going to need an extension. Go ahead and just drive it all the way out. Grab this, put this in a nice safe location, somewhere you won't lose it. And out comes the battery. Sweet. And that is how you remove a battery from a 2017 Chevy Malibu. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit that bell. Alright, let's get out of here before we get kicked out.